Now that we've worked out the representation of functions and function calls, let's change our interpreter so that we can evaluate them. If we have a program that defines double and adds, that takes x and adds x to x, and we call it with 3, then of course we get 6. But what is the process for getting 6? The process is that the interpreter is going to have to go find, when it sees this function called double 3, it has to go find the double function, has to look at the argument name x and look at the body, and he needs to substitute in the result of 3 for the argument x in this body. So it's going to need to go from double 3 to plus 3, 3. And then, of course, regular arithmetic interpretation takes over from there, and we get 6 out as the result. So to make this strategy work, we're going to need to change the interp function so that it takes not just an expression, but an expression and a list of function definitions. In this case, we would have just one function definition, double. In other cases, we might have double and quadruple, or other functions. And interp's job is still to take this expression and produce a number. It may just need to look at the function definitions along the way. Part of looking at the function definitions is going to be this getFunDef call, which takes a name of a function and a list of the function definitions and goes and finds the right function definition. And then finally, we're going to need this substitute function. Substitute is going to take an expression like 3 here, the result of 3. It's going to take the symbol, which is going to be the name x, and it's going to take another expression as where it should substitute it in. That's the plus xx, and it should give us a new expression like plus 3, 3. That's going to be our overall strategy. Let's go look at the code.